Hey guys, so if you've watched me kind of for quite a while, you'll probably have seen me get this box before in the past, and that is Witchbox. I think I've only had it maybe once or twice before, and I don't know if the price has changed since then. So for people in the UK, it's £29 including postage. For people in the EU, it's £20.83 without shipping, so obviously the shipping will be probably quite a bit extra. And for the rest of the world, so USA, stuff like that, it's £38, and that is including shipping. So I think this is the May box. I've not looked in here yet, so we're going to kind of open it together. This is what it looks like when you open it. It says magical secrets lie within, exclusive and hand-picked items brought to you by Witchbox. And then the website is there. I will put it down below in the description as well. And then right on the top, we've got this little booklet that's black and purple, and it says Little Book of Magical Spells. Kind of matches my nails. In here, it is, like it says, just a little book of spells. So we've got a money spell, a charm bag spell for protection, an attraction spell, a dream pillow spell, a spell for answers, a spell for increasing magical power, witch bottle protection spell, wishing spell, and a magical spring clean. So I'm not going to hold these up because they are long and there is quite a lot of them, but that is our little book of spells. And then we've got a little kind of leaflet and a sheet. So this is the May box. It says, welcome to your May box. This month we have themed the box Divinity. It says they're suitable for vegetarians and they only use recyclable or eco-friendly packaging wherever possible. So then it tells you about all of the items in the box. I'm not going to read off that. And that is their information there. And then we have this little card which says a guide on how to get the best from your Witchbox, week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. So this is about using different items in the box. So for example, on week 4 it says brew the spiritual tea, blah blah blah. So I'm assuming there is a tea in here. So I will hold it up. Obviously it's probably not going to really relate to that much if you don't have these items, but just in case anyone does want to pause and read it, that is that. And then we get into the box. So the first thing right on top is a Glamour Spell Kit in this little bag. I will open it up and show you what is in here. So this is what is in here and the method, again in case anyone wants to pause and read. That is the little instruction card. So we've got some pink paper, we've got a lipstick. It's like a little kind of I don't know, like a cheap kids sort of red lipstick. We have a little incense cone, and we have a little bag of rose petals as well. So that is everything in the Glamour Spell Kit. Then next we've got some little white spell candles. It just says Witchbox spell candles at the bottom. It says they can be used when other colours aren't available, and there is 6 of them in there. So 6 little white spell candles. Then next we have the tea that I mentioned a bit earlier. So this is Spiritual Elixir Tea. It says a magical blend mixing white and green tea together for a refreshing flavour. Add 2 to 3 grams to slightly cool boil water and steep for 5 to 8 minutes. So it has cinnamon, apples, white tea, green tea, chopped cinnamon, rolled almond, and a few other things in there. It looks very fancy. You can see like the cinnamon stick kind of things down here. So that is our little loose tea pouch. Then next we have a crystal. So this apparently is a Snowflake Obsidian. Looks kind of like this, like a grey and black speckled tumble stone. And it comes with a little card as well. So it says, the Snowflake Obsidian crystal is believed to be strongly connected to the spiritual realm, and for this reason it's used for scrying purposes. Scrying is an ancient act of divination meant to help reach psychic realms. It can be achieved by concentrating on or gazing at any object with a shiny surface until a vision appears. Some people believe that Snowflake Obsidian is effective in meditation when placed on the third eye chakra. It may help one discover the purpose of being here in this life at this specific time. Sorry if you can hear the squeaky birds again. By asking questions aloud and listening, you may hear the answers whispered back to you from the spirit realm. These answers may help you make better choices when making decisions about future relationships, finances, career choices, or health issues. So that is our Snowflake Obsidian. Then next we have this little roll with a band on it. And this is, oh, this is about like goddesses and gods and stuff, I think. I'm not going to even try to pronounce any of these names because I will just absolutely make it awful. So I will hold it up in case anyone wants to pause and read these. So this is like a Book of Shadows page. And then next we have this, which is wrapped very nicely. Oh, that's cute. I like this. Okay, so this is a white wood hanging pentagram. So it's got, this is the way it's supposed to go, I think. It's got like a little rope up here to hang it with. And this is what it looks like. So it's wood and it's got like a kind of a whitewash sort of paint over it. It's got a little ribbon on it which says Goddess on there in silver. And then it's got a rope so you can hang it up. It says, this beautiful carved wood pentagram has been decorated by us at Witchbox. It can be hung in your home, above your altar, or at your workplace for added protection. So that is really cute actually. I do really like that. Definitely the best item in the box so far, I would say. Then we have some Goddess Oracle cards. I love getting cards. I think they're really interesting. These are super pretty. They're kind of like a matte black with a gold foil writing and design on them. And then on this side they have a little star and moon kind of Witchbox logo. So again, am I going to read these? I'll try. So we have Athena, Hecate, Brigid, Frigg, Diana, Freya. Oh, that's it, just those. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's only 6 little cards. I'm not sure if it's going to show up very well because of the foil for you to read them, but that is what they look like. Very, very cute. For these, it says it's another in our series of oracle cards. This set of 6 features popular goddesses. Draw a card and decipher what message the universe is sending you, or use in a traditional past, present and future card spread. So that is our little goddess oracle cards. Then next we have this, which is just a little necklace, goddess necklace. Honestly, not massively my kind of thing, but I do think it's really pretty though. I like how sort of delicate and not cheesy it is. It's quite like adult. Sometimes you get jewelry in these subscription boxes and they're very kind of childish and I don't know, they're just not my sort of thing. This isn't my kind of thing in a jewelry sense, but I do like it though. So for this it says, we have made this beautiful Tibetan silver necklace just for you to enjoy. Wear it to connect to the feminine divine. My mum might like this maybe. I might see if she wants this. It's pretty cute. So we have that little necklace. Then next we have this, which sounds exciting. This is a white rose soap. And it's super, super light. And the box is quite big. So I feel like it's going to look exciting. It says, using your ritual bath and for cleansing before spell work. A beautiful rose soap in a gift box. Use a few petals in your ritual bath or shower to make you feel really divine. Let's have a see. Wow, okay, so this is a very pretty soap. Hopefully I don't break it taking it out. That is insane. It literally looks just like a real life rose. And apparently this is soap. It smells like rose soap. It's super soft. I really don't want to break it, but you can see how soft it is. That's amazing. I love that. I've never seen one of those before. So that is our rose soap. And then we still have a couple of things left. So we have some incense sticks, sandalwood incense, these ones are. It says there is approximately 20, and these are an exclusive item packed by Witchbox. Can't really smell, let's see. Oh, they smell quite nice actually, I like those ones. They're not a typical incense sort of smell, they're a little bit sweeter. I don't use them because of Chili, my rabbit, but yeah, little sandalwood incense. Then we have a little art card. So it says, believe, inspire, love, grow, trust the goddess. And this was designed by Ravenswood Manor for Witchbox, apparently. Very cute little art print. And then we've got one item left, which is some little temporary tattoos. Now, obviously, I feel like a lot of people had these as a kid. I've never thought of using one as an adult, honestly, but these are really cute though. I like this pentagram or pentacle one down here. I like this moon one here as well. Not really sure where I would ever wear them, but they are really nice though. It says, simply cut out the tattoo you wish to use, remove the transparent paper cover and apply to skin using warm water. So just in case you've never had one before, you just kind of stick them on, and they do last a couple of days usually as well. So yeah, so that was everything in Witchbox. I'll quickly grab it all and show you all together at once. So we had the little book of spells, the little art card or art print, the temporary tattoo sheet, the Glamour Spell Kit with all the little items inside, put that back here, the sandalwood incense sticks, the little goddess necklace, the spiritual elixir tea, the 6 white spell candles, the goddess oracle cards, which are super pretty, the book of spells page, the little snowflake obsidian stone, the white rose soap, and the wooden white hanging pentacle as well. So all of these items in the May Witchbox. I actually thought this was a really cute one. I love how different everything is. Like, it's very rare you get a shaped soap or a wood hanging sign or an actually like cute necklace and stuff. The cards, thought all of it was really cute. So you'll have to let me know what you thought of this one down below. I'll put all the information for them in the description in case you want to go and check them out. And I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.